Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lexus LX470 2003 to 2007? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Lexus LX470 2003 and 2004, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits such as the power outlets and cigarette lighter, rear window defogger, active height control suspension, AC, stop lights, and the tilt telescopic steering system. In the Lexus LX470 2005, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits such as the power outlets, rear window defogger, AC, stop lights, power seats, power windows, moonroof, and interior lighting. In the Lexus LX470 2006 and 2007, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits such as the power outlets and cigarette lighter, rear window defogger, AC, interior lighting, stop lights, and the tilt steering system. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Lexus LX470 2003 and 2004 protects high current systems like the ABS modules, active height control suspension, trailer lights, fog lamps, outside mirror heater, and other engine-related electronics. The engine compartment fuse box in the Lexus LX470 2005 protects high current systems like the ABS modules, trailer lights, outside mirror heater, and other engine-related electronics. In the Lexus LX470 2006 to 2007, the passenger compartment fuse box safeguards key cabin systems like power outlets and cigarette lighter, rear window defogger, AC, stop lights, power seats and windows, moonroof, and the variable gear ratio steering system. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, Micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.